top news headlines. COVID-19 cases continue to surge in Manipur. 3 fresh cases reported today. Shramik special train brings back 992 stranded Manipuris from Pune. And cops intensified crackdown against lockdown violators. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Manipur today registered 3 fresh positive cases of COVID-19. With these, the state's COVID-19 tally has reached 32. Of these, 28 are active cases, while 4 have been recovered and discharged. A 32-year-old man from Jiribam and a 25-year-old woman from Thoubal district tested positive at BRDL Rims Imphal last night. An 18-year-old man was confirmed positive at BRDL Nims Imphal last night, according to an official release from COVID-19 Command Control Room. The third patient is from Churachandpur and a Chennai returnee. COVID-19 cases continue to surge in Manipur. The state recorded 3 COVID-19 cases yesterday. A Shramik special train carrying 992 passengers from Pune railway station reached Jiribam railway station at around 10:50 am today. This is the 10th train to ferry back returnees to the state during the lockdown. The returnees maintain social distance besides wearing masks. After lunch, they underwent screening before leaving Jiribam in buses for their respective districts. The returnees are from Ukhrul, Farjol, Churachandpur, Palen, Chandel, Kamjong, Imphal East, Kangpokpi, Noni, Senapati, Kakching, Tamenglong, Bishnupur, Thoubal, Imphal West and Jiribam District. Jiribam District Commissioner, Superintendent of Police, Chief Medical Officer and volunteers of Ajuka, JDO, IPSA and Indian Red Cross Society, Jiribam District branch assisted while screening the returnees and sending them to their destinations. The passengers will stay in quarantine centers for 14 days in community quarantine centers in their respective district. In view of the arrival of stranded Manipuris from Pune, District Magistrate cum Chairperson, District Disaster Management Authority, Jiribam, W. Malemnganba Chengle has imposed public curfew in Jiribam from 8 am till 2 pm tomorrow. Meanwhile, Amuko today assisted drivers and handymen who ferried back returnees from Jiribam. Amuko volunteers also provided drinking water to the transporters. Amuko President Firoijam Nandoluwang assured that the organization will take up the issue faced by these drivers and handymen with the leaders in the hills and state government.
Gari Thobiriba, why see now Singna, Wakanda, Jimnava Nunanga, Povidana, Ekoi, Makata, Tabuktovio, with the Makta Amukona, Pangbeaba, Matin Pangjage, Lobayava Todang Lojage, Amadi Singi, Simbake Agasu, Ponazaraga, Mayam, the cooperation Pina Bapanajage, and the United Naga Kong, Singi, Simbamu Riva, I don't come in so, Simam Levilda, Wangata, Matin Pangvidana, Mayam da.
Cops in Imphal East and West today detained several people for defying lockdown rules. They were traveling without curfew pass, face masks and vehicle documents. Police conducted drive at Singzamai Kangla Gate, Kwakaithel, Kesampat of Imphal West. In Imphal East, frisking and checking was carried out at Konung Mangmang, Kurai Lamlong, Kumbai and underparking, during which several people were detained for defying lockdown rules. Now let's have a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Langol View Charitable Clinic haina khangnaram mafam asi Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited haina khangnarakani. Mafam asida medicine, gynecology, surgery, orthopedic, ENT amadi pediatrics ka mari lenaba analayingi service singi khudong chawa lobiyo. Akupa marol gidamak contact tobiyo Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, RIMS Southgate near Kombinay Kaithel. Hospital helpline number 8258967890.
Laizare Crispy Puthokchaba The Little Backyard Company Gehu mapumna semba iron gi changwang na yauba thau nem na yauba ahal angang punna chabada haksang da kanaba kayamurum piriba hauraba chanaba makhalni mahau ani thopna fangbigani hot and sweet amasung hot and spicy mamal supna tagi lupa kuntra khattani fangfam segarot thauda bhabok laikai abab Lajis Pizza contact number 9774015534.
Welcome back. Governor of Manipur, Dr. Najma Heptullah, today greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim brethren, on the auspicious and joyous occasion of Eid al-Fitr. The governor in her message said that, preceded by Ramadan, a month-long fasting period, the festival not only spread peace, brotherhood and universal love, but also entreats mankind to perform deeds of positive value to enhance soul. She further said that the message associated with the festival is most relevant in the present tumultuous world. Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren also extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim brethren, on the joyous occasion of Eid al-Fitr. Chief Minister Biren in his message said that Eid al-Fitr marks the end of holy month of Ramadan, a month of fasting, spiritual renewal and recommitment to the values of gratitude, charity and compassion, which reminds that humanity can be improved by being sensitive to others' sentiments while being honest to ourselves. He appealed to everyone to maintain old norms of social distancing while celebrating Eid al-Fitr in order to protect from COVID-19 pandemic. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Khamchand Singh also conveyed his greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim brethren, on the happy occasion of Eid al-Fitr. He appealed to all, especially the Muslim brethren, to take extraordinary precaution in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. He also urged all to maintain physical distancing while celebrating Eid al-Fitr festival. Works Minister T.H. Bishwajit also wished the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim brethren, on the auspicious occasion of Eid al-Fitr. He said that the day is celebrated across the globe by Muslims, marking the end of month-long fasting of Ramadan. He further said that the festival is a chance to further the spirit of peace and brotherhood in the society. He stressed that the Eid al-Festival may inspire the people in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President M. Okendro also conveyed his greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim brethren, on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. In his message, Okendro appealed to the Muslim brethren to adhere to government instructions to avoid spread of corona pandemic while celebrating Eid al-Fitr. Manipur Police Special Commando today provided meal to 150 returnees currently staying in the quarantine centers opened at Wangkai High School and Buddha Chandra College of Imphal East. Imphal East Additional Superintendent Operation Roni Mayengbam, Subedar Y. Saktisen Singh, Subedar Lieutenant Vivek Singh of Special Commando were present in the distribution. Tengnopal District Additional Superintendent of Police T.H. Krishna Tombi distributed today face masks and hand sanitizers to the inmates of community quarantine centers at the Ambrasu village of Tengnopal District. PCTC oil pump today distributed rotis to customers and frontline workers fighting COVID-19. Speaking about the distribution, owner of the oil pump, Nissan Patni, said that PCTC will provide the same to every customers and frontline workers every Tuesday and Friday from 12 noon to 2 p.m.
COVID-19 की मनुंदा अखोना सी रोटी मियाम दा एनी मी पमदा लाकपा थाव हापा मतमदा अखोना रोटी ट्यूसडे और फ्राइडे नुमिदा 12 to 2 की मनुंदा अखोना रोटी सी पिज़्ज़ा रखे एनी कोविड वॉरियर एनी अखोई पुलिसिंग वरो एनी मियाम वारे हो जे मतम फंगदबा ड्यूटी तो रे युम चपके की मतम फंगदबा चार सेवन की मतम फंगदबा तो काइंडली अखोई पमदा लाकपा या 12 की 2 की मनुंदा ट्यूसडे फ्राइडे की मनुंदा अखोना PCTC ना सी इनिशिएटिव लोरे लोए मियाम एनी मी लाकपा की अखोना रोटी मखोइदा distribute to jarage
mapalam dagi yorai ba phagi sinanau iche sel singje makoida masigi posi yobiragadi asuki matik mahi yangani na suggestion tawjeningi maruoina apagi triple IT matripuki geta lamsang laaga ising thangna ba dagi chana ba tan lam dilamaga dukan di hangda na phangdana leiba oriental college da leiriba asigu mamayam chikraga yobiragadi phagi pamsigi mapu oibiriba Maruina igi no Nissan bu ana tagatjage masidang tobiragadi na suggestion tobiragadi.
President of all Jiribam United Clubs Association, Ajuka, Maipaksana Mangang thanked Pradhan of Hilgard Gram Panchayat, Jiribam, L. Somarendra Singh, for his contribution towards COVID-19 relief fund. Pradhan L. Somarendra donated a sum of Rs 10,000 to Ajuka to help combat COVID-19 pandemic. Yawol Khongthang Tentha provided meals to the inmates and volunteers of a community quarantine centers at Health and Wellness Center Tentha. President of Yawol Khongthang Tentha, Moirang Suresh, thanked the state government for bringing back stranded natives from different parts of the country. As an auxiliary to the government, the Indian Red Cross Society is fighting against COVID-19 in Manipur for the last 78 days through a series of activities. Red Cross volunteers are joining the medical team in thermal screening of 6,575 stranded Manipuri people, students, employees and patients returned from other states at Jiribam railway station by Shramik special train starting from Chennai, Punjab, Bangalore, Vadodara, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada, Telangana and Dehradun. Red Cross volunteers have been working 24/7 at the district screening centers at Modern College and Oriental College by opening enquiry counter, helping the returnees in physical distancing, educating them about COVID-19. They have been distributing snacks and juice, organizing and sending them to the respective community quarantine centers. The volunteers also visited the community quarantine centers and imparting training on stress management and psychosocial support to the members of the quarantine coordination committee at various places of Imphal West District, said Indian Red Cross Society. Kind Ventures donated 9 bags of rice, 25 kgs each to 8 select quarantine centers in Imphal area, DM College, Johnstone School, Kuman Lampak Youth Hostel and IIT Lamphel, Trade Expo, UNACO Manipur College and Sai Complex. Kind Ventures is a business entity that practices and encourages kindness, compassion and thinking about the well-being of others in the society, a statement said. Kind Ventures endeavors to bring progress and prosperity in the state through various businesses while providing the much-needed employment to the youth in the state. Kind Ventures said it is donating whatever is in its capacity to help during these challenging times and requested others to join it and donate whatever they could in solidarity to fight this pandemic. Republican Party of India RPIA Manipur unit has claimed that officials are not properly handling returnees in the state. Speaking to reporters in Imphal, State RPIA President Thaunauzam has claimed that volunteers and officials at a quarantine center opened at Imphal Valley Academy, Gari refused to provide lunch to the newly admitted inmates. They allegedly asked the returnees to bring lunch from home, according to Mahesh. He urged the government to look into the matter immediately.
Ladiba Kendradugi, district wise to Mapamgi, Anapami or Ragadi, Zak to Sinbaya, I have the Yum de Tilalapa, I suppose Infal Belicidi, Quigi, Paswa Kendra, Quigi, in Nauria Palapa, Nauriagi, Kendragi, Adagidi, Quiki Chamtung, and never sing to the Zak Tilapada, game problem or the Drankale. Adubo in a Pau Pungsabada, Nasichi, I didn't lack passing the Maya in Panda Yauri, Lapa Lapaba, Quigi missing Yauri. Moidi kumain lockdown maraksida koigi family day kumain chak thilagpagi oiga doino dudi yam thina problem oitare haitare koigi idul fitr gi nungarba occasion se lakpasida ishorna su koigi lariba covid-19 huji luraba situation se solve tawiba santi purakpa ado hanagi normal life ta purakpa oirasanu hara ishorgi mafamde su nizari.
Mahesh also greeted the people on the occasion of Idul Fitr and wished that normal life comes back.
Ladiba Kendradugi, district wise to Mapamgi, Anapami or Ragadi, Zak to Sinbaya, I have the Yum de Tilalapa, I suppose Infal Belicidi, Quigi, Paswa Kendra, Quigi, in Nauria Palapa, Nauriagi, Kendragi, Adagidi, Quiki Chamtung, and never sing to the Zak Tilapada, game problem or the Drankale. Adubo in a Pau Pungsabada, Nasichi, I didn't lack passing the Maya in Panda Yauri, Lapa Lapaba, Quigi missing Yauri. Moidi kumain lockdown maraksida koigi family day kumain chak thilagpagi oiga doino dudi yam thina problem oitare haitare.
109 Battalion CRPF under the aegis of IGP Manipur and Nagaland sector conducted extensive fogging in and around Nauria Pakhang, Haino Khongnembi Gram Panchayat area in Imphal West district yesterday. The fogging exercise was carried out under the guidance of Narayan Balai, 21C officiating commanded 109 Battalion in view of prevailing COVID-19 pandemic and to prevent malaria. Narayan Balai appealed to the people to stay at home to observe complete lockdown and follow all instructions issued by the government as well as local administration. In addition to the fogging exercise, awareness was spread among the local people to take precautions against COVID-19. Balai further said that 109 Battalion will continue to serve and help needy locals with respect to queries emerging out of COVID-19, where villagers may get immediate guidance and assistance from the battalion. Konthausam constituency MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan today distributed rice and whole grains to 10,875 households. Urembam Awang, Urembam Mayai Lekai, Urembam Makha Lekai, Urembam Maning Awang, Konthausam Mamang Lekai, Lairembi Lekai, Konthausam Maning, Konthausam Makha Lekai, Kumbong Mamang and Haikruzam Mamang Lekai. One of the intending candidates of election to Autonomous District Council Chandil and social worker Jamkholet Khongsai Mori today distributed essential items to 400 Muslim households of Mori Muslim Naga Ward number 5. Khongsai also handed over a sum of rupees 10,000 along with 200 bottles of PK's drinking water to the district additional deputy commissioner for 9 different quarantine centers set up at Mori. Vice President of Manipur Muslim Council Mori, Abdul Hamid, thanked Khongsai for his noble act. And now let's have another short break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Sangai Services Private Limited, Yelhumida Thabak Pirasi, Thabak the Chilhau Thiroisi. Houzik lockdown Namaram Oiraga, Sangai Services Private Limited ki Anova service kara Hapchinjare. Service Singaduri, medicine home delivery, home blood sample collection, sanitization services, face masks, gloves, hand sanitizer, home delivery service, stay home, stay safe. Order to Binabagidama, contact Tobirau 70050717707 Natraga 70005112624.
Welcome back. Social, Cultural, Educational and Sports Development Organization, Hairok Relief Committee against COVID-19 in association with the councillors of Hairok Nagar Panchayat Ward number 7 and 9. KH, Jayantimala and E. Premji today spread disinfectant solution to sanitize Heroknagar Panchayat area. KH Jayantimala said that face masks, hand sanitizers, soap and other edible items were distributed to around 110 households for the third time today. The Kuki Students Organization KSO More blog today expressed shock over More Police Commando personnel being caught with banned Myanmar products by Assam Rifles at Bongyang yesterday. KSO in a release said the matter was hushed up and not disclosed to public. Amidst the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, the Indo-Myanmar border has been sealed as preventive measures against possible infiltration and also to save Muri public from the possible exposure to the deadly virus. The organization demanded the government to terminate all involved commando personnel. Meanwhile, the Hill Tribal Council, HTC and Mori Youth Club MYC also expressed shock over the incident and urged for termination all involved commandos personnel. The Kuki Women's Union and Human Rights Mori also condemned the incident of seizing banned Myanmar products from Mori Police Commando by the Assam Rifles yesterday. The proscribed Revolutionary People's Front RPF today cautioned that the lockdown induced by COVID-19 pandemic will significantly weaken the work culture of the people of Manipur. In a press release, Publicity Secretary of RPF Robin Kuman said that prolonged lockdown could cause famine and the younger generation would be deprived of education. RPF urged the people of the state to start ponder on this serious matter before it is too late. The outfit also urged the people to come out together to make Manipur a self-sustained state. Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Government of Manipur, K. Sarakumar Singh today distributed 500 local-made face masks, hand sanitizers and hand gloves to Transporter and Driver Council TDC. The distribution was carried out at Manipur State Road Transport Corporation MSRTC Moirangkhong Complex in the presence of Joint Director of MSRTC Delina Lashram. Kangoi employees Yinglam Ki distributed free face masks and hand sanitizers to the villages of Kangoi Kulen, Samamphai and Kangoi Kuno under Machi subdivision in Tengnaupal district. Speaking to media, Ki president said that want to contribute in the virus fight in Manipur. The team also visited all community quarantine centers in the 3 villages. Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal and Bandana Devi today issued an order declaring containment measures banning entry and exit of people from the containment areas and initiating active surveillance of COVID-19 cases. The order comes after a resident of Thoubal district accommodated in Sangayumpham Block C quarantine center has tested positive for COVID-19 today. DC Bandana also said that any person who violates the containment measures will be punished under Section 180 of Indian Penal Code and Section 51 of the Disaster Management Act 2005. As India prepares to resume domestic flights from May 25, 3 states, Karnataka, Punjab and Kerala, have decided on a 14-day quarantine for passengers with variation. As scientists and government race to find a cure for the coronavirus disease COVID-19, a vaccine developed in China has been found to be safe and effective in its first days on humans, raising hope for an early candidate that could help make people immune to the viral pandemic, a media report said today. India is preparing to resume domestic flights from May 25. 3 states, Karnataka, Punjab and Kerala, have decided on a 14-day quarantine for passengers with variations. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare today, there are over 1.31 lakh COVID-19 cases, including 3,867 deaths due to the infection. Across the world, the number of novel coronavirus cases has passed 5.25 million with more than 339,000 deaths, according to a tally from official sources compiled by AFP. Isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya are likely to experience heavy rainfall within the next 5 days, as per prediction by the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD). Parts of Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim and sub-Himalayan West Bengal will also see heavy showers, the weather agency said today. Heat wave conditions are likely in a few pockets of Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Marathwada, Rayalaseema, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Yanam, Telangana and Chhattisgarh. A severe heat wave is likely to be observed in isolated parts of Rajasthan, the IMD further said in its Delhi bulletin. A heat wave is considered if maximum temperature of a station reaches at least 40 degrees Celsius or more for plains, 37 degrees Celsius for coastal stations, and at least 30 degrees Celsius or more for hilly regions, according to the IMD. As Union government announced plan to resume domestic flight operations from Monday, several states cautioned against the resumption of operation. States including Maharashtra and West Bengal have warned against resuming flight operations from May 25, while Tamil Nadu government is yet to take a call on it. According to media reports, Maharashtra government made it clear that arranging adequate transport under the present circumstances would be difficult and would add to the stress on the red zone. For now, there is no go of flight operations at Mumbai airport. Maharashtra remains the worst affected state in the country with over 40,000 coronavirus cases. Like Mumbai, the flight operations at Kolkata and Bagdogra airports in West Bengal, which were severely affected by Cyclone Amphan, is unlikely to function from May 25. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee yesterday appealed to the Narendra Modi government at the center to defer flight operations in West Bengal in view of the Cyclone Amphan that has ravaged parts of the state. Now, do join TOMTV's new program, Your Voice, Adomgi Konjel. Please express your grievances and issues through our channel. Send your audio or video to our WhatsApp number 9402491494 along with a copy of your Aadhaar card. Please mention your name and address properly. Be a citizen journalist. Let's listen to today's Your Voice.
Rajasthan oina ngasi phawa lauthokhiba leitri atai atopa state singi oina di anirak phawa lauthokpikhre aikoina ngasi phawa lauthokpidaba haise michang mikha naiba thabak ulabra pokhale aduna aikoigi awabase ubiduna atuba matamda thokpa yabagi list thokpiu matam kuina mafam asida leiraga aikoida hena ware thabaksu yumda thoklani haina chatre Renki Barasu Pibaga Tanabagi Honabada Awaba Ama Ore Aikoibu Nuxibiduna Atobada Lakopiu Yamna Nungajagani Haba Wafansi Hajeri
Yamna Pindi Ngarang Tiangbangi Misaraga Aikoibu Lista Yaudrabasu Train Station Tana Salo Adugana Koigido Satpiyagani Harakibadegi Aikoina Mapamse Taduaga Train Station Tana Satkibani Adubu Saturabegi Tungda Aikoibu Satpiyabegi Ayaba Adumak Pankibaliti Yamna Awaba Mayuknaki Hariba phone number se 9378119851 Mari Lenava Department Sing Namasibu Amutang Yangshan Biraga Atuba Matamda Action Kra Lokopio Aina Ningsing Zeri Iramda Masang Aktani Aikoibu Manipurda Lakningai Gidamakta Manipuri Sarkarna Masi Matanga Sedun Sembiduna Aikoibu Lakpia Ningaigi Amutang Sinbiu Hainasu Ningsing Zeri.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. COVID-19 cases continue to surge in Manipur. 3 fresh cases reported today. Shramik special train brings back 992 stranded Manipuris from Pune. And cops intensified crackdown against lockdown violators. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.